Welcome back to my channel, the AG. In today's video, I'm going to show you the continuation process of the Ganesh Nimarjanam. Like in the previous video, you guys might have seen how to repair the Ganesh idol, where I have mixed wheat grain also. And you all must be wondering what's the update on this wheat grains which I have shown earlier. And here's this video is all about that. It's all about the update and things which I have got from these wheat grains and how did I utilize that, how did I consume the saplings which I got from these wheat grain grass. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you're first time to my channel. Please like my video if you like the content in my channel. So guys, let's start this video. This is the juice which I'm talking about. This is very healthy juice. At the end of the video, you will be knowing how to prepare this super food using the saplings which I got from the wheat grain. Stay tuned guys. I'll be telling you the health benefits of this superfood, and this can be consumed in the morning for your healthy and glowing skin. So yeah, this is our Lord Ganesha after the puja on Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the 6th day after the puja has been completed, and now our idol is ready to say goodbye for all of us in this season. Into a large white tub, I have placed the idol. This tub should be sufficient so that the idol can be immersed. Choose the size of the tub which is sufficient to immerse your idol. Pour water slowly so that the mud which you have used to prepare the idol slowly dissolves when we add water. The Ganesh idol is slowly dissolving. Be patient and do this process. In this process, used almost like 1 to 2 liters of water. I think due to this COVID situations, everyone are preparing their own eco-friendly Ganeshas at their home. I really appreciate each and every efforts in preparing their own idols at the home and preventing less pollution to the water bodies. After the event of Ganesh Nimarjan, everyone could see the water bodies are completely polluted and filled with many plastic materials and Ganesh idols which are made with plaster of Paris which are not environment friendly, and it takes many years to dissolve in the water. Instead of curing the water, we are destroying the environment, and this is hampering the complete ecosystem and polluting the water. So this is the best idea to prepare your idols at your home. I hope you like this process. If you do like this video, hit the like button. If you do like the idea behind this video, please share this video with your family and friends. And if you're first time to my channel, always hit on subscribe button and click on the bell icon and select all options so that you could receive any video updates as soon as I post any video. And now coming into the video, if you could see, the idol has completely dissolved. Separating the water from the tub, leave the idol as such so that it dissolves slowly for a day. These are the sprouts, and now into your tub, take some quantity of coco peat and place it in the tub. So after you place it into a wide tub, add this clay portion which has wheat grains in it. After you add these clay portions into this coco pit, it will take about 1 to 2 days to sprout these wheat grains. If you could see, the wheat grains has sprouted beautifully. Depending on size of the idol, it will take about 1 to 2 days. It took 1 day for me, and after 1 day, I could see little sprouts from the wheat grains. Remember to sprinkle little water using a spray bottle. Do not pour the water at one place. This will completely disturb the root from its sprouting. I hope to like this video. If you do like this idea of growing saplings from the Ganesh idol without discarding it into any water bodies, you can always use this idea. You can also grow any sapling instead of wheat grass. Here I've just given my idea how to grow your green Ganesh idol. Wheatgrass is a superfood. It is packed with powerful combination of nutrients that make extremely useful for our health. It is a complete nourishment and it is extensive combination of vitamins and nutrients which make wheatgrass an exceptional choice to enhance your health and well-being. Wheatgrass has antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Wheatgrass contains iron, calcium, magnesium and vitamins like A, C, E, K and B complex and proteins. The nutrients in wheatgrass aid the body in getting rid of impurities and stored toxins. So this can be used as detox drink. It also helps in digestion. This is lively food, but it can also be consumed by drying the wheatgrass and making it into a fine powder and mixing it with any of the fluids which you consume in a day. These wheat grain grasses are freshly sprouted and the first leaves, that is common wheat plant, can be used as food, drink or dietary supplement. Freeze dried or fresh, this drink can also be used as detox drink. When wheat grain grasses have reached 6 to 8 inches of length, you could cut them as shown. Wheatgrass juice is usually consumed in the morning as detox drink on empty stomach, which gives numerous health benefits. Try to consume in the morning for many such health benefits. Fresh wheatgrass juice is considered to be a living food. To prepare this wheatgrass juice, here I have mixed my wheatgrass with fresh vegetables available with me. To prepare this wheatgrass juice, I have used 1/4 cup of chopped beetroot, 1/4 cup of chopped carrot and 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber. To this add freshly cut wheatgrass. Blend it well by adding 1/4 cup of water. After you blend this juice, separate the juice from the pulp. To separate the juice from the pulp, transfer the pulp from the blender into a clean muslin cloth. Squeeze and extract the vegetable juice which comes out from this vegetable pulp. Squeeze so that all the juice is extracted from the vegetable pulp. Our healthy vegetable drink is ready. You can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. This juice increases hemoglobin level and also is a good food for anemic patients. I hope you like this idea. If you do like this idea, please hit the like button and do share this video with your family and friends. If you are first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and always click on bell icon so that you could receive any notifications as soon as I post any video. I post my videos in my channel on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 2 p.m. So stay tuned guys. Enjoy this super delicious food.